Welcome to our ice maker showdown. Today, we're comparing two popular countertop ice makers, the budget-friendly Free Village countertop ice maker and the premium GE Profile Opal 2.0 XL. We'll explore their features, ice production capabilities, and which one might be the best fit for your needs. Let's dive in. When it comes to price, the Free Village countertop ice maker is a budget-friendly option at just $99, making it accessible for many households. In contrast, the GE Profile Opal 2.0 XL comes with a premium price tag of $649, reflecting its advanced features and capabilities. This significant price difference is an important factor to consider based on your budget and ice-making needs. In terms of ice production, the Free Village model can produce up to 26.5 pounds of bullet ice in a 24-hour period, which is quite impressive for its size. However, the GE Profile Opal 2.0 XL takes it a step further, producing a remarkable 38 pounds of chewable Nugget ice in the same time frame. This makes the Opal a better choice for larger gatherings or frequent use. Feature-wise, the Free Village ice maker is straightforward and lacks any smart technology, making it easy to operate but limited in functionality. On the other hand, the GE Profile Opal 2.0 XL is equipped with Wi-Fi connectivity and is compatible with a smart app, allowing users to control the ice maker remotely. This added convenience can be a game changer for those who value technology in their kitchen appliances. In conclusion, the Free Village countertop ice maker is a fantastic choice for those looking for an affordable and portable ice-making solution. Meanwhile, the GE Profile Opal 2.0 XL offers superior ice quality and advanced features, making it ideal for those who prioritize performance and technology. Whichever you choose, both machines will serve you well in keeping your drinks cool. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.